We can also insert a beam using the automatic recognition from DXF DWG feature. Proceed with the object recognition. First select the beam object from the drawing menu and then activate the DXF DWG magic wand from the toolbar here. With the magic wand, simply trace over the beam representations in the DWG DXF file, starting from one corner over to the opposite corner, and then click. The beam object is inserted in position, as shown on the DWG file which was previously loaded, and with its base size automatically acquired, whereas the beam height is set to the default value of 50 centimeters. In the same way, we continue to insert a steel beam using the DXF DWG recognition features.